Good morning, guys. We're going to go over something different in today's video. We're going to actually go over and look at the trader EQ, emotional quotient. What does dumb money do and what does smart money do? And I want to literally compare two of the exact same crypto patterns that, well, one, I believe this is actually coming in crypto. So I want to prepare you guys for this and show you guys what retail traders do and what smart money does and how emotions shift between the two. This is part of one of our master classes. So I'm just going to give this to you guys. Please watch this. This will show you how to control your emotions, and this will turn into more money for you guys because emotions for most people click buttons. Really fast analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, guys. Everything is just simply staying where it's at. We're seeing a trend exhaustion at the bottom red section here. Potentially we could be seeing a move back up to structure high here. Nothing's really been happening too much on crypto as far as pumps or dumps in the last, I would say, 2-3 weeks now. So we're just monitoring this for the moment. Long trades can be set up. You guys can do that. The scalping trades that we have been taking, literally, guys, done 32% in the last 23 days. 32% in the last 23 days, over 1% a day. Go to tradeconfident.io in the description. You guys will also see this link, but it's our 100% win rate outside of Luna, and we've never lost a trade here, and it will keep your guys' account super healthy, okay? Very healthy. So watch that. That's where the money's being made. The indicators are right here. They're 82% off, and then the membership is over here as well. There's a link to that, and there's a link to this. Okay, I want to show you guys, once you have a membership, you can access this page. Go all the way down and go to resources, and then come down here and click this, which is called the Trader EQ charts. I want to spend some time here. This is where you guys need to be honestly diving into the lab with me today and sitting your emotions down in front of you and saying, okay, emotions, we need to put you in check. Because this is honestly, guys, what separates pro traders from just regular retail traders. It is how they can manage their emotions during different market cycles and movements. So we're going to start this chart. And just be honest with yourself. If you've ever felt any of these things that I'm about to share with you guys, okay? We're going to go over this and we're going to end with smart money because I want you guys to hear what you guys are probably going through right now, and I want to end with what you should be moving through. And I've learned this coaching $1 million hedge funds, people who've been extremely successful. I knew a guy who made $20 million on Bitcoin. Guys, I've taken the principles of what we've learned and what I've seen from successful traders and I put it in here. So let's go. All right. We're going to pretend everybody opened a trade right here. Okay, it's funny because we're kind of in a consolidation pattern and it kind of is what Bitcoin, Ethereum look like right now. Okay, let's say you're in a long trade and the price goes up. Here's what dumb money does. They're saying excited. And then they're moving up here and it gets even higher up here and they're saying it's going to the moon. How many of you guys can relate to this? The price is going up, it's just going to the moon. Okay? And then it starts moving up here. Remember, your take profit is right here. It gets very close and they're saying this is a winner. And then sometimes what can happen right around this area, we'll go on the drop first. This starts dropping back down. And then this is the moment you guys say this to yourselves. And I've said it to myself in the past. I'm just going to be honest with you guys too. I wish I took profit close to my take profit up here. And then the market's going down further and further, and now you're back close to your break-even entry. And you said, at least I'm not negative. You start actually building a story. So while you're like, okay, I'm glad I'm holding. At least I'm not negative. The market then goes down, and you say, okay, I got to hold. That's all I got to do. Then the market goes down even further, and you get frustrated. I should have sold. Why didn't I just sell? Okay, you're thinking that up here. I should have just sold up there. What am I doing? What am I doing? And now you're coming down here and you're like, should I sell my position? Should I sell my position? And then it goes even lower and you absolutely get frustrated. Why? Why is this happening to me? And then you decide, okay, I'm just going to hold for life. And then it starts moving up slowly but surely. Okay, those are the emotions on the downside. Let me bring you back here. Now, here's something that happens. Sometimes it'll go up and it will hit your 4% take profit. This is correlating to yesterday's video. You guys will hit your take profit and the market will keep going up. And I hear this from retail traders so many times. It says, basically, I'm so dumb. Why didn't I hold? And you guys put yourself in a box and you trap yourself into saying, you know what, that's not enough. Why didn't I hold? And I'm telling you guys, this is where retail traders fail the most. It is when they've taken profit and they see it go up. They say, okay, I got to rework my strategy because apparently I'm not taking advantage of all the pumps in the market. Guys, this is what big money wants you to do. You will always fail at trading if you have this mindset, okay? And then what happens is the market goes up even higher, and how many of you can relate to this? You don't actually, you don't sell. You seriously just come up here and you start shoving tons of money into the market. Okay? For those of you guys who didn't sell here, you should have sold up here. But no, what retail traders will do is they'll see this, they'll take their profit, let's say this is 4%, it'll move up here, and then they will buy because they think it's going to the moon, it's just going to keep going and going. How many of you guys, honestly, put it in the comments, how many of you guys can relate to what's going on here? This is what a lot of people think. And then right when you guys FOMO in because you think it's going to the moon, then the market drops back down here and you're like, why can't I ever win? Why can't I ever win? The market went down. And now you've given up all of your profits from the 4% that you took because you FOMOed into the high price up here. This is the vicious cycle that almost every retail trader, new retail trader goes through. And this is honestly, it's not derogatory. It's called a literal trading term. It is what's called dumb money. Okay, they're buying the highs and they're selling the lows. That is the worst way to trade. Let me shift you guys now over into what smart money does, and this is the best way to trade. Just to tell you guys, like we literally hold the highest win rate on crypto that we can find anywhere at 122 wins and 1 loss, and I incorporate this into my strategy. You guys can hear my tone, my sentiment, and even on Telegram when I call this out. This is the difference, okay? Let's say everybody, it's same chart, same price action, but different emotions. Everyone enters in right here. This price starts going up. You see this. I'm just following my rules. That's the difference, guys. Smart money trades like a robot. When trading becomes boring, that's when you become profitable. It's the emotions of dopamine that are going to give you guys the ability to make dumb decisions. Okay, it's partly why it's called dumb money. As the price starts moving up here, you say, look, I'm just following my rules. And then the price comes up here and you say, man, that's pretty close to the take profit up here. You know what? Close enough. I'm taking profit. Guys, so many successful traders I've seen, when they're up here, and I purposely correlate this to a structure high right here. So this is a resistance. Their take profit hasn't been hit. But what they'll do is they'll say, okay, I understand this is a strong level of resistance. I haven't got my full target, but you know what? I made some money. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna close it, and then it moves up a little bit higher. And this is what I've heard them say. Seriously, that's okay. I guaranteed myself profit. This is huge, guys. If you can understand that people are losing money every single day, and if you can just be one of the traders to make something 1 to 2%, let's say once every week, you're doing better than majority of traders out there. Okay, seriously, because you're doing better than the S&P 500 if you guys are doing that, okay? Let's move back up here. So as the price starts moving up here, let's say you know they're already exited here, and let's play the pattern down first. So they exited here, and now the price is going down. You say, I'm proud of myself for selling. I'm proud of myself. All right, great job for calling that and not being greedy. As the price moves down here even further, what they're looking for now is looking to buy the dip. Remember, the dumb money up here is still holding because they're looking for the most profit possible in crypto, and they're getting. This is where you guys frustration is getting pushed into the market, and they're getting frustrated as it moves down. Watch the difference of emotions. As this moves down here, they're looking to buy the dip. It goes down even further here, and they say, "Oh, great level of support. I should be looking to try to get in here." And then right down here, guys, they're like, "All right, I'm gonna dollar cost average in on this dip," and it dips even further. I'm gonna dollar cost average in here. Do you see how the excitement, not frustration, the excitement actually builds as the price goes down because they're dollar cost averaging, and now they're back in the profit. And now they're making money twice. Why? Because they already took profit here and they're making money over here. While a lot of retail traders will just hold this all the way into the drop and they don't take profit when they're up. Okay, I understand that some of our trades are in this, so I just want to be clear to you guys, we're holding and we're still dollar cost averaging down. That's what you should be doing, okay? Now let me play this out, because this is very interesting too. Let's say you come up here and you hit your take profit and you're done. As the market goes up here, do you understand what a lot of retail traders are saying? I'm so dumb. Why didn't I hold? That's what they're saying, because they're like, I left 10% on the table. I left 15% on the table. I hear it so many times. But here's this thing, guys. Smart money. This is what they're thinking. This doesn't always happen. They're following their indicators in their system. They're like, you know what? It doesn't always pump up like this. I understand this is something that doesn't always happen like this. And then it's pumping really high. And this is honestly what you guys should be thinking. Everything drops in time. It's a very humble, it's a very unprideful thing to think. And it's just a true analysis of the market. Everything will drop in time. You guys all saw that on all the coins that we're in right now, didn't you? Okay. So everything drops in time versus I'm going to FOMO in. And now see the difference here? And the market drops back down. And then what's the emotion over here? They're looking for an entry. Now, smart money is looking for an entry while all the retail traders are saying, why can I never win? This over here If you guys have ever said, I'm trading and there's someone behind the computer taking trades against me, it's because you are trading dumb money and you're trading with emotions. Not over here. These guys are always understanding that bull runs won't last forever. And when the market goes down, they're understanding that, look, this is probably the best place to look to get into the market. And they're not FOMOing in thinking something's going to go to the moon. I want you guys to study this today. A membership over here at tradeconfident.io will unlock this page. Go all the way down, go to the resources, and then you guys, market cycle, great. Our break-even entry calculator, it's yours. That's awesome too. And then click this over here and go through these again. And be honest with yourself, how much of these feelings do you feel during the market cycles? This is what you guys need to be doing. And if there's anything here that's not in check, I purposely copied it over here to show you guys the correct emotion to have. Now, is this 100% perfect to a T? It's pretty close, honestly. It really is. If you guys can just switch the emotions over here, majority of you guys are going to have struggled the most with this one right here. It's going to be you took profit and the market kept going up. That's going to be the number one thing you're going to struggle with, is thinking that you're personally dumb because you left so much money on the table. Stop it. You cannot do that to yourself. You're more valuable than that, and you can't be arguing with yourself on this. You need to realize every single day people are losing money. Every single day people are losing money. Every day that you're winning, someone else is losing. So if you can come out and just take a little bit out of the market, even if you take 4% on our scalping strategy and the market goes up 20% after that, who cares? Who cares? Because the people that do care and they come in here and they FOMO in and the market drops, they're going to lose all their profits they've made for the last 10, 20 trades because they FOMOed into the top. And then it won't even matter what you lost out on here because they lost everything. Be smart in your trading. This right here, guys, I should do like a whole seminar on it. Like this, if you can master these two things right here, the difference between what most retail traders do and this, you guys will be successful traders. It will leaps and bounds ahead of the rest, okay? So watch that, guys. Have a good one. The indicators, like I told you guys, I didn't go over them too much today. In the description, you do need them for the scalping strategy. So again, come here to the front page, click over here, watch this video. You need the indicators in the membership. This is how we've not lost trades. And if you guys watch this video, you'll see that as I'm showing this to you, you're going to see some elements of what I just shared with you over here on the Trader EQ. There's reasons why we dollar cost average on the dips here. We're not freaking out. We're dollar cost averaging. And when the market's going up here, we're just understanding that, hey, everything drops in time. You guys have heard me say that so many times. So watch this, guys. I really hope this helps. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you guys like the content I'm coming out with, it means the world to me. And then make sure you guys snag that membership because we're going to be calling out some more trades here for scalping coming up here. So don't miss that, guys. Literally over 1% a day we've been able to do in the last 23 days. So that's been pretty exciting. All right, guys. I love you. God bless you. Have an amazing day. All the links to everything you need are in the description. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.